Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Rukda Shaheen and you are watching Learning with Rukda Shaheen. Welcome to my channel. कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope you all will be fit and fine and enjoying your lives. Alhamdulillah. Okay, let's move towards today's lecture that is about past tense and the fourth kind of past tense that is past perfect continuous tense. फेल माजी मुकम्मल जारी and the identification is the past perfect continuous tense, also called past perfect progressive tense, shows that an action that started in the past and continued up until another time in the past, and usage of time, point of time and period of time is also included in past perfect continuous tense. So this is the identification in English, and if we see the identification in Urdu, तो उर्दू में इसकी पहचान क्या होगी कि ऐसे काम जो हमारे माजी में शुरू हुए और माजी में ही किसी वक्त में ख़त्म हो गए, माजी में जारी रहे और उसके बाद माजी में ही मुकम्मल हो गए, उनका ताल्लुक़ पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस से होता है. और इसमें वक्त का जिक्र किया जाता है. टाइम इज़ ऑफ टू काइंड्स, पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, यानी मुकर्रा वक्त और गैर मुकर्रा वक्त. Point of time मुकर्रा वक्त and period of time गैर मुकर्रा वक्त. As I have already mentioned in the previous lecture what is point of time and what is period of time. So let's move towards the structure of the tense, that is form of verb. First form of verb is used plus ing. Helping verb is had been, and had been is used with all the nouns and pronouns he, she, it, I, we, they, you plus singular or plural subjects. And point of time, if we have point of time in the sentence then we will use since, and if we have period of time then we will use for. So this is the structure of the tense past perfect continuous tense. You have to learn it by heart. You can write it on your copies or wherever you want to write, and you have to learn it, and after that you would be able to make the sentences of this tense. So let's move towards the examples and formula of this tense. Affirmative sentences. Formula is subject plus helping verb had been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since slash for plus time, that is period of time or point of time according to the tense, and then full stop. And the examples are Hassan had been grazing goats since morning. हसन सुबह से बकरियां चरा रहा था. तो इस टेंस की अगर हम आइडेंटिफिकेशन देखें तो उसमें रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी वगैरह का जिक्र आता है, और उसके अलावा उसमें टाइम मेंशन होता है. तो यानी रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे का जिक्र हमारा पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में भी आता है. तो अगर हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस के फ़िक्रों में वक्त को शामिल कर दें तो वो हमारा पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस बन जाता है. यू हैड बीन ईटिंग फ्रूट्स फॉर 10 hours and girls had been washing dishes for 2 hours. Okay, these are the examples of affirmative sentences, and let's move towards the next point, that is negative. कि इस टेंस के फिक्र को हम मनफी कैसे बनाएंगे. फार्मूला इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड प्लस नॉट प्लस बीन, यानी इसमें जो नॉट है वो हैड और बीन के मिड में आएगा, प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इन स्लैश फॉर प्लस टाइम and then full stop. And the examples are Hassan had not been grazing goats since morning. You had not been eating fruits for 2 hours and girls had not been washing dishes for 2 hours. यहाँ पे in the first example I have used since because we know that morning is the point of time, and according to this tense we have used since over here. And in the second example you had not been eating fruit for 2 hours, so here is period of time, and we don't know that the 2 hours of in the morning or in the evening, so this is period of time and I have used for this example. So let's move towards the next point, that is interrogative. Formula is helping verb had plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since slash for plus time and then full question mark. And the examples are had Hassan been grazing goats since morning, had you been eating fruits for 2 hours, had girls been washing dishes for 2 hours. So these are the examples of interrogative point, and now let's move towards the next point, that is negative interrogative. If we have the sentence negative interrogative at the same time, so what will we do? The formula is helping verb had plus subject plus not plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus in slash for plus time and then question mark. And the examples are: had Hassan not been grazing goats since morning, had you not been eating fruits for 3 hours, and had girls not been washing dishes for 2 hours. So these are the examples and formula of negative interrogative. Let's move towards the next point, that is question word. If we have the question words in a sentence, in the sentences, so how will we make the sentences of question word of past perfect continuous tense? So question word plus helping verb had plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus in slash for plus time and then question mark. And the examples are: where had Hassan been grazing goats since morning, why had you been eating fruits for 3 hours, and when had girls been washing dishes for 2 hours. So these are the examples of question words. And so today's lecture is completed over here. I hope you will understand it well, and if you have any question regarding this lecture, so you can ask in comment section. And if you like the video, so subscribe the channel and also share and also like this channel. And see you in the next lecture inshallah. Take care. Fi amanillahi. Assalamu alaikum.